Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today we are going to be just doing a really short tutorial. It's going to be a lip tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get this really simple, quick, elegant, glitzy, glamorous look. I'll get close up and so you can see, but I don't know if you can see it from far away, but I've got glitter on my lips. Ooh, pretty. When I'm going somewhere, let's say we're going to dinner or something, and I'm not going to wear anything fancy, but yet I want a pop of glamour. This is what I've been doing. I've been doing a really glitzy, glittery Glama lip. Alright, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, so these are the things that I'm going to be using to get that lip look. I'm going to start off with my BH Cosmetics Waterproof Lip Liner in the color Petal. This side is different than this side, so I kind of overline a little bit on this side. I love this color by itself. Sometimes I wear this by itself with just a gloss on top. Okay, now I am going to be trying this little sample. I got it in my Ipsy bag, my Maze, I think it was my Maze. Yeah, my Maze Ipsy bag, and it's called Fail Bait in case you want to look for it, but it's a really pretty color. So let's try it. It's so pretty. And when I do a dramatic eye like this, I like to go a little lighter on the lips. This little sample is going to last me a while. Hope it doesn't dry out. And now for my little trick. This is actually glitter for the eyelids, for your eyeshadow, but I use it for everything. As you can see, I used it for my eyes, and about a month ago I just dabbed some on my lips and I thought, ooh, I like that. So that's what we're going to do again. This is hard candy, and it says it's eye glitter gel. I'm going to put it on this little brush by, I think it's Coastal Scents. I got the little brush also, so I'm going to squeeze a little bit. I got the brush also, I believe I got it in my Maze Beauty box. So all I'm going to do is dab a little on my lips. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's so pretty in person. And that's it. I hope you can see the color good. So yeah, it's as simple as that, and it looks glamorous. So yeah, and I know that this is a pretty dramatic eye. I was actually getting ready to go get my Glama girls from school, but then my son said that he was going to go get them today, so I thought, well, I was going to do a real natural look, but since I don't have to go anywhere, I'm going to just do a really dramatic look, and I'll finally film the lip tutorial that I've been wanting to do because I love this. I've been using this a lot, like with just natural colored eyeshadow, like browns or corals and just really light natural colors, and then a little glitter on the lip, just like boom, makes you pop. Alright guys, so this is the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you try it, and let me know how you like it, and I would love to see pictures. You can go to my Facebook page. It's called Glam It Up with Glama, of course, and you can post a picture on there if you'd like, or at least let me know how you liked it if you tried it. If you like this eye look, let me know, and let me know down below, and I'll show you how I got this look. It's a really dramatic purple pink smoky eye. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you, and don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with, alright? Okay, bye. I love you. Mwah.
Between lies and truth.